New construction. Woo! Look at this. Townhouse is this? Townhouse style. Got my general contractor out there making sure the work gets done. I'm the money guy. Oh, don't fall. New construction, really cool. Looks like they're gonna be insulating this place. The windows are up. Nobody's going to the basement just yet. Maybe from the outside. And a lot of places to fall. In any case, new construction is great because you get a property that's new. You don't have to do too many updates. And if you get the property from a reputable builder, well, then it's in good shape and you're in good shape. And the only thing you do is buy the property and wait for the appreciation of that property. And that's it. Just keep going up in value, eventually selling it and making your money. This place here is 3 floors and it looks like they also converted an attic. And I think this must be another room here. So new construction, overall I think it's great. Good opportunity. If you're looking for something like this locally in Massachusetts, you know who to call.